Sometimes, feeling intoxicated isn't always as romantic as it sounds. Unfresh air is not only unpleasant, but can present a variety of health problems too, such as allergies, respiratory illnesses, and beyond. Desperate for a breath of fresh air? Say hello to your new partner and ally in keeping polluted air where it belongs, out of your home. We pride ourselves on our ability to bring energy-efficient solutions that will seal your home, so to speak, keeping drafts out and healthy air in. With the right amount of ventilation and filtration, as well as adequate humidity, almost 100% of nasty airborne germs and spores will be 100% obliterated. Whether it's cool or warm air you're after, we'll make it happen, maximizing your comfort in minimizing your woes. Our diverse menu of indoor air quality filtration techniques and methodologies will make you savor every breath in your home like never before. There's no time to lose. Get in touch with us today to breathe the ultimate sigh of relief.